When Asmi arrived at AIMS Diagnostic Care, she was in a wheelchair. She was unable to walk, unable to carry out her normal activities of daily living, and she was completely dependent. Asmi also used to get frequent seizures resulting in falls as she would lose her balance. The emotional distress of this led to her being less confident and not being cooperative to the treatment. Asmi's case is primarily a case of cerebral palsy, but she also has a condition which is medically considered as refractory focal epilepsy, and this is due to some abnormality in the brain cortex. This results in recurrent seizures, finally leading to falls. Asmi came to AIMS Diagnostic Care after a procedure called radio frequency ablation of the epileptic zone in the brain. My name is Kamal Kiran and I am a physiotherapist at AIMS Diagnostic Care. I have done my specialization in sports physiotherapy and it's been 3 years since I am working here at AIMS. So to start the treatment, first we needed an active role from Asmi. We had to have an understanding of the muscle power, the range of motion, the physical limitation and the difficulties she faced in performing her functional activities. We started with a psychological approach to cheer her up by giving her small tasks, team activities and games which required her physical engagement. We created a friendly bond with her to understand her likes and dislikes. In addition, we also encouraged her to speak her hopes about the future, whereupon she was able to have a more positive outlook regarding her future. The rehabilitation program for Asmi started with balancing exercises, postural exercises, gait training, core strengthening exercises and some games and activities which would improve her aerobic capacity. We also provided her with pain management. So the ultimate goal is to make her independently be able to perform activities of daily life and to be ambulant.
أفنى ميكا مي أسمي فراتم أنيجا مي ورا رانغلا كورير مي أسمي بينو نبي مي ويلتشي أكس أراكا ميتان أكوا ويلتشي كما ميكو بينو نبي ويلتشي أرارس أما هنگا في بينو وني دين مي كودوكو ويلتشي أرويس جينا فهار مي هكا هيتر كمايكي هما هنگو كم بينو غني دين مي أسمي أميليا gina kantati kara benu vene me kewmu ge kantata ges hedun lewmu ge kantati asmi amella ama kara benu vene ade asmis gabori kare mi ko komisara kati ma amella hingi hekama me mikam hinga kudu bagutu kadake wahaga ge libana me khidmatum wahaga ge warabonda courier ma libi ge wahaga ge warabonda wahaga ge physiotherapist wa me kama bara bona mi kama baga ke shawgore hishagan baga mi kan kuriya wani emme wara ufawe baga kede
A lot has changed. Now Asmi comes and leaves the clinic by walking. Before, she used to come to the clinic only by wheelchair. At present, she is less dependent on others while performing her routine activities, and not to mention the frequency of her seizures have decreased as well as the falls. Moreover, she has become cooperative and confident enough to talk and walk in a crowd with less discomfort. She is blooming beautifully and looking forward to life with her ongoing improvements.
asmi mitan wasken libenne wara bonda koriyam wara he hoje me ems ke faratun me fenanai me hama wara professional wara rangala wahga ke me therapist me kama me krema ke wage mitane me masay kedum ke wara funna me wahga ke e me mitan ako ay wheelchair asmi bendo gangai hafta pahon libana hedumata bada ke asmi liber fayani wara bonda kuriyarma den mihun getres nokume wendu or kudannu koyake waga miko ekam irada karabena mihun getres te wendu mitanum mitin hidumata melem tafaatu hidumata waga ke akhirinna ke mi koya gondogam waragina tantare me wende me physiotherapy aduwashai hospital ke wendu waragina tamam weke waga mi ka wende da ko emsum medium waga ke me physiotherapist waga ke me kamal krema ke mi kama baragabil mi heba bana wenda e gina waguta meleng hentantana stafaat ko de me ne waga ke meleng me nilibe hidumata me afin raswaga ga hama warabunda hayran kama melibana me na epre kudinna ke adi mihitana waga ke hodife waga ke rangala fase hege meleng ge tannong ye ke adi me hama dunia ke professional doctor nas timawe ke waga ke ekamanas adi physiotherapist nas me kama ke brain doctor nas neuro doctor nas timawe ke emena surgery kara no fena komiskale waga kama ekam mitang aske melibana hedumata ke me allah karama fulon warabunda koriyarma me waguta ki ehentanos nilibe waga mi hay digi waguta mitane waga prikara mitanun libe waga mitanun deta waga ki wara gina waguta finna waga ki me hidmata waga ki kama hitagan waga ala waga ki me doctor mi ha amella waga ki mikam mikarane waga ki emi ha banwagen gos doctor waga ki em fai waguta waga gos me physiotherapy hada coaching banduwagen gos vena hamara seni doctor banduwagen ne mele management respana vena mikama wara ponda samalu ve yo wara ki mitange komme patient ki wara ke hama everenga abella kama dekagen everen karane wara ke management wara ponda shukr dana wara